What's going on, guys? Today we got the Oculus Quest 2 review. So let's just talk about the box before we open it. Alright, so right here we have the Oculus logo. A little more in detail, you can see it there too. On the front tab of the box we have like some sort of, it kind of feels textured thing there. I'm assuming that's just where to pull it open. On the cover before this you get all the details on. So just tell you, this is a 128 gigabyte model. It costs about $299, about $300. So yeah, it's a pretty good price. As you can see here, let's open the box. So this is where you get everything. So have our documentation here. Okay, that's quite a nice outroll. And we get a documentation here, which I'm assuming is how to set it up. And you guys can see, that is how to set it up. Alright, so that is called the reference guide, and this one is just all about it. So yeah. Alright, so for the Oculus. Okay, this thing is pretty big. Oh, get a little thing here. We'll see what's in there in just a second. And this is the Oculus, so we don't need to put a phone in there. It just is all in there, ready to go. Charge it up, play it. And I believe there's a sensor right there. I think that's probably for focus. Here is a spacer, as well as a cover spacer. So we have left remote, right remote, and ooh, there's a peel right here. We gotta get this. Hold on, guys. You gotta hear this one. I mean, this is probably gonna be a good one. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so we got the Oculus and the one remote out. So this. Come on, computer. Why do you have to turn off on me? Computer wanted to turn off on me. So we. I don't know if you guys see that, but there is a Oculus logo that kind of blends in with it when you turn it on. Okay, let's see what else is on the box there. The left remote. Okay, same thing. Doesn't have a peel on it though. That's okay. Now let's open this up, see what's in here. I'll let us through that. Ooh, another documentation. This one. Designed to fit over the Quest 2 standard facial interference. Okay, I don't know what that means at all. So yeah, this thing is a 128 gigabyte model, so that's probably enough for a year or two of gaming. Games are pretty pricey on here. I bought some games on it. It's like, I think I've bought like $50 worth of games, and it was like only 2 games, or 3 games. 1 to 2. What am I trying to think of? Oh, there's another box. So I have no clue what's in here. You guys can hear that. No clue what that is. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we have USB to USB-C, or I mean USB-C to USB-C. Okay, that's okay. And we've all seen this charger before. Google Pixel 4 charger. I think this is Pixel 5. Pixel 6 doesn't have a charger. No surprise. So this box just has the Oculus logo like everything else over here. We'll just put that on the pile. I'm assuming this is a 5-watt charger. No, it's 10 watt. Okay. Alright. So I think the Google Pixel's charger is 20 watt. So 10 watt. Okay. So yeah, let's just talk about battery life on this thing. So this thing has like, probably lasts you a whole day. The charging is probably the worst part of this. So, let's see. Looks like we plug our charger in there. Let's just test that out. Where did I put the USB to USB-C? I have no clue where it went. Oh, it's right there. I'm so dumb, I did not even see that. Okay, so looks like that fits in there, so that is definitely for that. And then we have, I'm assuming that's the button to turn it on. Let's see. Are you gonna see some lights light up in there? Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that. lighting up, and of course it just fell. So I'm bringing you guys over here. I'm going to show you that this right here. Right here we have, you can see it lighting up in there. So they say that you're not supposed to put it to direct sunlight, but that's okay. Here's a little more detail on the logo. Alright, so yeah, this is basically a little close-up of what the charger looks like. Our details there. That's what that box looks like, so let's put that back in the box. We don't really need that right now. So as you can see here, test that click. Pretty nice click. AB, we got some kind of like pad right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Some kind of pad. I'm assuming that's how to turn on the thing. Okay. I didn't do anything. It's just blinking now. The other controller's not though. So on this controller we get the pad right there. And the menu button. We have the same thing in there. And a little bit closer you guys can see that Oculus logo. Also get your trigger right there and your trigger right here. That's your main trigger. Same for the other one. So yeah, that is basically the Oculus Quest 2. Make sure you guys stay tuned for next week's video. I may be posting a video sometime this week instead of the weekend, or maybe both. I don't really know. I have a couple videos I'm planning, so make sure you guys stick tuned for those, and I'll keep bringing out some shorts. I brought out 2 yesterday, and they're both buzzing. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Bye.